Hey, what's up, guys? Justin, aka Donut, here with Austin again, and we're
Hello.
bringing you Total Minor TNT Explosion number 2. First one was by Andy and Master Killer. This one's by me and Austin. So, Austin, go ahead and light the bitch.
Meow.
A lot of fucking TNT. Oh my god, it's lagging.
Oh, it goes all the way down to the bottom.
Oh my god. Yeah, you can see like little holes full of TNT. Oh my god. Come on, break the Xbox. That's what we were going for, is to break his X. Oh, that's my swastika. It's my swastika. Before it breaks, that's my swastika. Oh, that's goat. It says goat. Hopefully the TNT won't mess it up.
Yeah, might actually survive even though I planted TNT inside of it. Oh, no.
Oh no! Shout out to Veritas. Shout out to Veritas.
No, not the swastika. No. Look at it, it's gone.
Pretty sure everything's destroyed. Let's go check out the damage, Austin.
Alright, first my hole.
Oh god, it's still blowing up. Did you make that cave full of TNT?
About that. Just a little.
Oh my god.
Another epic cavern.
Alright. Make a castle in here. 3-story castle under the ground. The X is left.
The X.
Alright guys, so that was Total Minor Giant Explosion Part 2. We'll see you guys later.
Yes.